Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I am back with another follow-along stretch routine. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get your middle splits. And now to start this routine, you're going to be warming up and doing some exercises standing up. So, I'm going to adjust my camera angle, and the first thing we're going to do is just by doing this. So basically, you take your leg up. It doesn't matter how high, it can be 90 degree. The one I just did was more than 90 degree, and you take it out as far as possible while keeping your leg turned out. And yeah, just go do this. And just go at a height that feels comfortable for you. You don't have to have your leg as high as mine, or you can have your leg higher than mine. The point of this stretch is not to get your leg as high as possible, but just to be opening up our hips. Okay, and now we should do the reverse, where we start with our leg out and practice bringing it in. Okay, and now we are just going to warm up by bringing our leg, just having it be bent and bringing it up, and make sure, like if you just have your arms like down, that your leg's like really behind your arm, and you're really bringing it up straight to the side, and you're not doing something like that. It's really to the side. Okay, and now that you've done that, our final warm-up thing is going to be just kicking our legs up to the side. And you can hold on to something if you have problems balancing, and yeah. Okay. And now I feel all warmed up, so we are going to go to stretching on the floor. The first stretch we are going to be doing is just the butterfly stretch, where you push your knees down as you try to lean forwards. Okay, and now for our next stretch, we're going to do something kind of like the splits. You don't need to be able to do the split, but like just then, you can't really see it that well. I'm gonna go to the side so you can see it. So you like bend your back leg and just like kind of twist your body like this and lean back, you should be feeling the stretch like right in here. And in case you can't see it, this leg is bent at a 90-degree angle. Okay. And now for the other side. Okay. And now for this stretch, it's kind of like the middle split, but you keep your legs bent, and you're actually bent to like a 90-degree angle, and yeah, I'm gonna move to the side so you can like see it better, and you're gonna like really try and like just keep it for a 90-degree angle, so like don't put your butt forward like this. That is not a real stretch. You have to like stay back like this. And if this is having problems for you, sometimes for people like having their arms like how I have them can prevent them from going down because they're pushing up. So some people find it easier if they like lie down. But I'm keeping my arms up so that you guys can see my face and I can talk to you. Okay. So now just another good stretch to do. I guess I hope I have enough room for this. Is just going to be a straddle because this is pretty similar to like what you're going to be in the middle split, and then just lean forward. I've never been very good at this stretch, and like I obviously can't do like a full flat pancake, so if you can't either, then that doesn't mean you can't do a middle split, but it is still a good stretch to do for getting a middle split. Okay. And then after that, what you should try and do is just, this is one that's standing up. So it's just like get your leg up like that and really make sure that your bottom foot's like turned out. And then just like lean on the wall. You know, I don't think you guys can really see it because of the camera. So I'm going to use like this wall and do it with my left leg first. So yeah, just kind of like this. And it's just very important to be like flat and like don't like stick your butt out like that. And then do the other side. I am very one-sided. Okay, and those are all of the stretches that I have for you today. I hope that helps you guys get your middle splits.